Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I just want to talk to you guys about late payments. So I got a comment from someone in my comments. Thank you for leaving a comment saying that they're having problems with a lender right now because of some late payments. So if you have late payments on your credit reports and you need to get them removed, the best thing I always do when I want to get late payments removed from a credit report is I send the company a letter. So I send them a letter, asking them to remove the late payments. And if you need a copy of that letter, it's definitely on my website, and I believe it's in my exclusive membership also. No, it's not inside my exclusive membership, but it is on my website. But get that letter and mail it into the company. And it's best if you also mail it certified too, to have tracking that you actually that someone actually got the letter. Because what if you send it out and you thinking nobody get it, right? But usually I'll send that letter out to the company and they'll remove the late payment. But if they refuse to remove the late payment and you send them a letter, I would suggest you guys go ahead and email the CEO. So if you're trying to get late payments removed, like companies like Capital One, you can go ahead and email the CEO and they should be able to try to help you to get the late payments removed. Now, this is not for everybody. Sometimes it's not going to work, but you can try it. When it comes down to credit, you got to try everything. Like, seriously,